Hey, buddy. Oh, I'm living the dream. How are you? I'm doing pretty well. How's life on in your neck of the woods? I figure out where I'm. Session operation. Been sick? Oh gosh, I growing up's the worst. At the absolute worst. I'm glad you figured it out. Run this. Oh, I have to change that. What's the name of this table?
This resistance.
What name is this? Alright, we'll give this a go. Efficiency. Oh, I see. Oh, that's rough. My dad had to quit too. He ended up getting some form of cancer that made him want to quit smoking. I mean, he survived. He's fine. But I think that scared the tar out of him enough that he just cold, cold turkey quit smoking altogether. Um, Gosh, smoking's the devil.
Show me the one whose safety deems
It is the
self-destruction.
devil.
This is the way.
That's rough. Trying to write a stored proc the first time successfully, and generally doesn't happen, but we'll see. Oh, I see. Like a slow roll off of it. I mean, that makes sense. I understand that. Um. Damn it! I didn't grab the right thing. Go back. Storage space. Once. The name of it. Send it those values, I think, right? That's. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, we're gonna try it. No, not notebook. Damn it. That sucks. I hate tossing my cookies. There's nothing worse than throwing up. Nothing worse. I can do. Store. What's up, StreamHub? Figured it out because when I would have a smoke, I'd stop being nauseous for 2 hours or so. I mean, it makes a lot of sense. It really does. It makes perfect sense. It's gotta be S-Prot, right? Oh. Let's consult with Claude. I'm waiting for the TBC release. They were gonna release it at like 6 p.m. EST. That now it's 9 p.m. or 6 p.m. West Coast. Now it's 9 p.m. West Coast, which is midnight EST. I think they've been delaying it all day long for different intervals. And it doesn't make a lot of sense because the game is a 20-year-old game. So I don't, unless they're making like a really big overhaul, I don't know what they're doing. A call? Is that right? It is. Good. And then the parameters. Now, okay. I think we try that. I don't freaking know. Then just get rid of this and this. Do I need to collect after? Do- Result. Alright, I think we try that. What's the worst that could happen? I don't know. We'll go YOLO. Bum bum. Damn it. Unknown function. Fail. Oh, I think you have to do as a select. I don't know if that's a dog or a cat that person sent. That is a cat. It even says in the name, DX cat. Huh. That's a procedure. I think I know what I did wrong. Yeah, I think I have to do session. this can stay, this can stay, this can stay. This goes. Alright. We try that. YOLO. Damn it. Unknown function. Oh, it's not trusted. It's in ELT. Oh crap. I'm calling bluff on this. Wait, it is a procedure. Maybe it's because it needs this. We're in the thick of testing. I don't know. It might have worked. It might have worked. I mean, of course it worked. was a full fail. To return this. I don't think it's. How is it return a success? How's that a thing? We're even getting. Do this about right. Stuff. It's not even writing it. Oh, entry successfully added for error. This is so stupid. this. It will for sure exist. You like explicitly do ELT? Maybe? Alright, will we run this? Try again, I guess? YOLO. Ooh, this one might work. Okay. Oh, is this thing still thinking? What the heck?
Do or do not. There is no try.
I know. They need to stop delaying it. That's midnight EST. That's another 2 hours. It was supposed to be done with the regular maintenance today, I think. I don't know what the hell they're doing, dude. It's so bad. They need to get it together. Pissing me off. I'm gonna have this ad hoc app created before they can patch a 20-year-old game. That's already been released. This is the third attempt releasing it. Oh, I have a divider.
Anakin, you're breaking my heart.
I don't know what to do. Oh, what do I do? I'm big stuck, dude. Could play some Valheim while you wait for TBC? I could. The problem is, like, once TBC comes out, I'm gonna want to play TBC. So my Valheim time is gonna be limited. And right now I'm only mining, so I have to mine a bunch of stupid copper again. Which is tedious. Plus, work is demanding. So I was trying to get some work done, but I don't know,
Without the council.
I'm trying to make this app, but it's not, I mean, it's working, but it's not fully working. It's not behaving the way I want it to behave. Unfortunate.
This isn't about you.
I just wish everything worked the first time I tried it. That's always fun? Yeah. So I wrote a stored proc, and the stored proc runs fine, and it inserts it, but I'm making the app in Streamlit, which is Python backend. And if it submits the form and it errors, then it wipes all the data and makes you fill it all out again, which would be fine, but I don't want it to wipe the form. So I put in logic so that it doesn't wipe the form, but now it keeps all the data if it's successful. So I need some type of error handling on my submit button. Not ideal. Hopefully your app's going better.
I'm
Oh my
a
God.
sexy girl. I'm a sexy girl. Sexy, sexy, sexy.
I really should make the points for that like 11,655 points. Because it scares the bejeebies out of me every single time without failure. I really it should be like a million points or something. Oh, my heart, dude. Oh, my heart can't take it. I wasn't scared, really. I was testing everyone else's reaction time. Yeah, that's what I was doing, is testing everybody else's reaction time. Let's see if this works. I don't think this is gonna work the way I think it will. Broke it a few times today, but I got a working prototype going right now. Next, I gotta add AI to it for recipe suggestions, so I don't have to hard code. Oh, that's smart. That's smart. I like that. Yeah. I know when I tell people I do, so technically my title is like architect, but I do a lot of Python development, Python coding. And I tell people most of the time, they ask what I do, I said, well, like 90% of my day is failing. So I got like really thick skin. Like, majority of my day is just failing all over the place. And then every once in a while I do something right, and then the app moves forward.
You would be wise to surrender.
Yeah, probably.
That's not what I want. Where's the... No idea what that's gonna take, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, that's the spirit. I got lucky and have to ask when stuff is broken. I don't have the knowledge that I'm sure a real coder like you had. Oh, but it's learned over time. Like it is a game of how much scar tissue you can acquire in your career. Is what makes people better and better coders. Like just failing forward. If that makes sense. Yeah, it's mostly just knowing how to fail correctly. And not getting discouraged when you do fail.
I see the path one needs.
Oh, shot, dude. Supposed to say ask AI. I think that's good because I think it's a good idea to just show people that anyways because I mean it's something that I would think most people would just want. I would think. That's what I thought. It's not defined anywhere. What the hell?
Tell me, is it the chosen one?
Had roti masala. No. I've not. I've had chicken masala. I don't mind failing, and I actually am learning because I don't just plug AI for all the answers. I read what AI spits back out. I'm getting good, noticing structure and things. That's the way to do it. Most people just like keep going back and forth and pasting back into the AI for better and better prompts, and it's not it, because I can tell you after doing Python for 10 years, I can smell an AI written app a mile away because it's not scalable, it doesn't error trap correctly, it is overwritten for what it needs to do. It's a big convoluted mess. So I do consulting, and we get some clients that hire us just because so much of their code was written in AI, and now their engineers don't even understand what's written or what's being used. And then they get big stuck, like, because they can't fix it, and the AI is stuck because it can't figure out what it did. And now they got this overwritten blob of code that they need to figure out and tweak. With this shit, yeah. And the worst part is, what we found at my company at least, and there's a lot of articles that match it, but basically AI consumed all the internet, right? Like, so it was getting more intelligent at like a geometric rate, and then it consumed all the internet, or most of the internet, and then it started to peak, and now it needs human interaction to get more intelligent, and humans are just dumb. So now that it requires our feedback and input in order to get more intelligent, it's degrading. Like, you can see the trend of it going down. It's getting dumber now that humans are directly involved, which is pretty funny. Sounds about right, yeah. So I'm just gonna do this. Well, this is the form. It wiped it because this still has this. I'm gonna set this to a variable. We'll do a form. There's and so many people talk to AI for adult reasons as well, which only serves to make AI our overlords in different ways. Yeah. You can say. Actually, you guys might like this. This is I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but this is a quote from Denzel Washington about failing. Hang on a second. Let me see if I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. You'll have to tell me.
If you don't fail, you're not even trying. I'll say it again. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. My wife told me this great expression. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did.
I thought it was pretty good. It's first of all, Denzel Washington's the man. I think he's one of the best S-tier actor. Like everything that guy's in is freaking amazing. But that quote was really good. Be done this way.
Like a panther. This is the way.
That's spot on. Yeah, it's so good, dude. You ain't cheating, you ain't trying, yeah. There was another really good one that said, someone got asked all the time, like, why do you work so hard? Why do you work so hard? While they weren't anything, like they were making like the 50K a year. And then once they made it and created a, like, I think it was, WhatsApp or something, like super successful app. He said then the questions became, how did you get so lucky? First it was, why do you work so hard? Why do you put all this effort in? Why do you keep trying? Once he started becoming a millionaire, billionaire, then it was, how did you get so lucky? The tone changes almost instantly once you flip like the success to fail, or fail to success. Not to find. If I do this, I think I can get rid of all the other ones except the true. tells me he made dinner, and what he made was rice with melted cheese. Queso? Queso's huge here. I'm assuming it was queso. I don't know if it was actually queso. Not being an integer. It's not an integer. My own herbs and spices to make my meals, proper big amount of vegetables and Yeah, this is... He's from the US, right? EST time? What's flipping on a boat? I need to... We live in the land of fast food here. In the US. It is what it is. So cheese and if it's queso and rice, that makes complete sense to me. Protein's optional. He's just switching out chips and queso with rice and queso, so he's got a little bit more starch. Freak out? Yeah, probably.
Commander Rex, you're in violation of Order 66. I accuse you of treason against the Republic. You will be dealt with, and we will deploy the garrison.
Wait.
Garrison.
Get rid of this.
Garrison bonus activate.
Okay, it did not clear it. So what did I do wrong? Do I have to track it as an ST state? I think I have to fix this in its entirety. This has to go. Alright, let's see. So I should be able to just do this. I can get rid of all this and just make it this. I think I just reduced like 50 lines of code. Yeah, I'm sure he's gonna spaz probably. Food's important. Hang on one second. Get in the dog retreat. Hang on one sec. Dog's got her treat. She's happy. She's off to the races. Alright, let's see if this works. I should be able to make this true on success. Or alright, let's YOLO.
Never been
Uh-oh.
so lonesome in my life as I am right now. I'm completely lost without you, Padme. I never realized I could even miss any one person so much. I just hope
Where's the...
too much longer till I'm able to be with you again.
I wonder if your feelings on this matter are clear, Ludwig.
on success. Oh god. Oh god. I messed up. I messed up. Big boo boo. Okay. Oh, here's all the initialization. I missed this. Description. Form submitted. I have that. All right, let's see. It succeeded, but did not clear the form.
Sir, the possibility of successfully navigating an asteroid field is approximately 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
I don't know. We'll try it. Oh, it's not. It's not. Oh, now. All right. I messed the thing up so bad. I really goofed something hard. No, it needs to hurry up and get here. I don't know why it won't. I don't know what's wrong with TBC. It really needs to get it together. Wait, is that all I need? God. Did not work. In fact, it made it worse. Screw this, I'm doing it my own way. Mm-mm. I don't know if this is right.
I will never yield to you, girl.
All the way down to this.
You'll have to kill me.
That might be the Mandalorian way, but it's not my way. Not anymore.
Oh, it's not clearing the form. It's driving me bananas, dude. This. It's gonna be. Um. Okay, I don't think I need any of the results part. We're getting close. Right there.
You're a good soldier, Rex.
Damn it. Did I screw something up? Refresh the whole thing. That seemed to work. Doesn't run it the first time. Come on, TBC. I think we're close.
I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the Republic. I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the Republic. I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the Republic. I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the Republic. I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the
Okay, let's see.
I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the Republic. I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the Republic. I'm dying for my brothers. I'm dying for the Republic. I'm dying for
Alright, cool. Let's see if our form is working. Or our audit table. Interesting. Okay, this has some data. In the recent submission. So why is it not going to this one? We almost got the first section of code done. Is that the only time this is in here? Well, that's why it's not writing to that table. Okay, we gotta find the stream. That fixes it? It has data.
Ended. The Clone War has.
Getting an error. Right there. Alright, let's see if that works. My Netflix shut off. What the hell? No. Insert value list does not match column list expecting 13.12. Expecting 13. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do I have that I'm missing? Eight, 9.
Where is Padme?
Did auto increment?
It seems, in your anger, you killed her.
In your anger? See? That's right. What? Unindent does not match. Oh, shoot. That's right. The one thing I hate about Python is the end ending. Alright, let's see if that works. I think it's gonna work. I thought I had to sneeze, but I guess not. Weak. Why is it in there? Process 10. Big mad. Yeah, none processed because I already processed them all.
This resistance.
It inserts to here. Lying to me. The memes will be legendary? Yeah, dude, I don't... What are they doing even? Like... This is blowing me away.
Show me the one whose safety deems such destruction. This is the way.
We'll be big mad. Oh, there it is. It did it. Hey, yo. Should be the last pump session. Oh, come on, TBC. Okay. What's up, Mars? I'm working on a Streamlit app, man. Do you want to just do this for me so I don't have to work? I'm waiting for the TBC release, and Blizzard's screwing it up all over the place. I've never seen a company that fumbles things so hard in my life. As a billion-dollar company. You did? That's sick, dude. You've been working on that. That's awesome. Yeah, that's actually why I started streaming. It's just so you could share that news, actually. Because I know you've been working on it for a while, and I just wanted you to have a place to publicly say that you've been working on it. So, you're welcome. What am I writing the program in? Streamlit's all written in Python. It's straight Python. And it has like a... so Streamlit exists in Snowflake, directly in the Snowflake database. So I can make apps that write directly to check general chat. Damn it. Damn it. I've refused to check general chat. I refuse. I'm not gonna do it. So the nice part is so Streamlit runs directly in Snowflake in the database that I work in. But you can also have you can have streams, they're called, in Snowflake. So it basically watches for any DML, any insert statements, update statements, or delete statements. And it auto tracks those changes for you as a change data capture to tell you what the original field was, what the new field is, if it was marked deleted, if it was a straight insert. It does all that auditing for you. So less work for me. Oh, you made a meme? Oh, okay. Hang on a second. I'll check that out. I thought Mars announced it in the Discord. I missed it.
Do it.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, that's accurate. Yeah. Yep. I think that's valid. I feel bad because some people took the whole day off today. They took the whole day. Rip Bozo. Depending on Blizzard to do something right. 5 stream streak. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. You're a homie. I got into the RP server, if you guys are ever interested in that. In the GTA RP server, it's a pretty busy server. It usually has like 200 people walking around GTA 5. And they're actually doing something pretty funny. 15 stream streak? Holy jeez. Get gravy. You both are insane. It's called Chase RP. And I've been playing Vintage Story. Oh. That's not Warcraft or Valheim or GTA. I feel like you should be playing on one of those. Working on reviving a dead mod. I see. So, on the GTA server that I'm playing on, they actually have a pretty funny concept. There's a northern part of the GTA map that people rarely go to. It's not as visited as frequently because it's not the main city. It's called Polino. It's up north. Like, there's fishing that's done up there, hunting that's done up there, that type of stuff. Like, no restaurants survive up there because there's just not enough people that visit it to make the businesses successful. So what they've done on this server is they've made a whitelist queue and a public queue. And if you're a public queue, you spawn in Polino, but you're deemed a Politian citizen, and you're not welcomed into the actual city. Like, they have fence and gates blocking the roads from getting to the actual city. But people are, like, going around the fences, hopping fences, using cars with ramps to get over the fence. And then you get a tracker placed on you if you get caught outside the city. So your ankle starts beeping, so that you can be returned to Polito because you're not a citizen of the actual city. So now it's like divided a wedge between the regular citizens and the Politians, where the Politians will capture people from the city and trade them back to the city for, like, vehicles, gas, food, other citizens that the city may have taken in. It's pretty freaking funny. So they're treating it like the border. It makes for very interesting RP. They'll want me the police should pay for it. Yeah. It's true. But the Politians are a public queue, so you don't have to actually get whitelisted the server. Like, anybody can come in and become Politian. If you want to get into the actual city, where they have, like, a governor, a police force, like a full medical center, restaurants, all that stuff, that's the whitelist server. The public just stays away from that. Hydrate? I got you. I just finished my Mountain Dew that I stole from work, but I got a second drink right here. Is this a 5M server? Yeah. Oh, hold on, let me see if I can find it. Copy. That's the GTA server. So it looks like there's two players in the regular queue, 23 players in the public queue. But there's an interactive map that shows, like, what's being built in the city. They have a company called Go Postal, where you can deliver packages for money, like UPS. But there's a bunch of porch pirates and things like that will steal your packages. They have to beat half to death if they try to take your stuff, so because you don't get paid. Taxi services. You can work at a restaurant. You can work as a paramedic. You can work as a police officer. There's a lot to do in the game. I probably will make a tow truck driver to piss people off. Just start towing vehicles all over the place. Including police cars. Just anyone I can piss off by towing, I'll just tow their cars around the city. And I'll just blame it on the Politians. Sounds like the right thing to do. The Politians have farmland, so they've been they've been farming potatoes. And now their new request is if they're gonna try to steal a citizen and see if they can get a vodka maker because they have a surplus of potatoes, so they're gonna start drinking vodka. Working in IT, I love working in IT, man. My boss lets me do whatever I want to, more or less. Like, it's pretty nice. They had, the Penta is the big streamer that's on there, Penta. He usually has like 5,000-6,000 viewers on GTA. He's pretty big in the GTA space. The first stream that I watched of his on that new server, he was helping some guy from Go Postal deliver boxes, but a bunch of gang members came up and tried to steal the box, so he just ran with the box and stole a car. And the guy that was supposed to deliver the package was pissed at him because he was yelling at him, "Give me back my box, give me back my box." Penta got distracted, ended up going to it's called Plan B. It's a restaurant in the GTA game. And you see him just sitting there making an order, and then he goes to stand by the front door waiting for his order to finish. And you can see the Go Postal truck just charging towards the front door, and you hear the guy scream like, "You stole my package, you son of a bitch," and just went through the front doors and like rammed him with the car. There's so much going on. It's so funny. It's really good. There's a lot of really good RPers on it. So I might have to play it for a couple streams for you guys to see. It's pretty legit. $4.30? Dude, you're insane. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you, homie. I'm glad your Lua program got done. One task off the list. $4.30, dude. That's 5 hours. You're a madman. Sleep well, homie. I appreciate you, man. I gotta finish this stupid thing. Do we need TBC to be up? I don't know what the hell's going on. That guy's a madman. 4:30 in the morning. That's insane. You do the same thing though, right? You sleep weird hours for your boyfriend or whatever. That like because he's on different. You guys are on way different time zones, right, or something. So your sleep schedule's all messed up too. You guys are both jacked up. $5:13 a.m. right now. You stay up for him to, right? Though that I'm not crazy in remembering that. I'm definitely not crazy. My mother had me tested. Hello? Sleep at 8 p.m., wake up at 3 a.m., then stay up till 7 a.m., then sleep 2 hours and go through a normal... That's crazy. That's bananas. What is it doing? Why is it... What is it starting? I can't even delete it. What the hell is going on? Oh gosh. I don't know what this thing's doing. I'm logging out back in. Sign out, sign in. If TBC doesn't come up at 12, I'm giving up. In 40 minutes, I'm giving up. This is BS. Is it just this app? They've got me eating Hostess donuts at 11 o'clock at night. This is what Blizzard's done to me. This. Reboot. They're forcing me to eat Hostess donuts. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, it definitely can't see the warehouse status. Grr. Streamlabs pissed me off. Can I shut down the warehouse manually? Okay, I can. Warehouses. The heck? It's not. Resume. Alright, let's see if that fixes it. That does not fix it. What's up, Delm? How goes it, buddy? You doing the TBC thing, man? I don't know if I'm gonna. I don't know. The walking. Because I want to do heroics, and I will not be able to do heroics walking. You can't. There's things that prevent you from doing it. Like bombs in Blood Furnace. Fire breath from the dragon and help, like, one of the first dungeons. There's things that, like, pools that you have to avoid. All the way? Yeah. So I could walk till 70 and then, like, start running. That makes sense? But I would not be able to do the heroics walking. Are you planning on just getting to 70 and calling it good, or are you gonna do, like, all the dungeons? Yeah. What class? Are you making a hunter again? Can't figure this stupid freaking thing out. It's pissing me off. Unknown error. If I don't make a hunter, I'm gonna get nuked. Yeah. Yeah. That's probably accurate. I think I'm gonna. I think I want to do some sort of PvP character. I don't know if I want to do Horde or Ally. And then I also want to do a PvE character. And I think the PvE character is going to be a Resto Shaman. I don't want to make a Resto Shaman on the PvP server because Resto shamans have 0 buttons for anything PvP. Like they just die. Like they just default lose to everything. So maybe make a warlock on the PvP server, but I want to make a resto shaman on TBC PvE because resto shamans are really powerful in TBC. Like they're really good healers. They can't do anything else. They're healers with an interrupt, man. That's pretty freaking powerful. Not that paladins don't get stunned, but that's a 1-minute cast versus like an 8-second reset on shamans. I can't figure this out. I don't know why it's broken. Piss me off though. I can't believe they delayed as many times as they delayed. Like, this is their 3rd or 4th time releasing TBC. Like, you think they would have a script for it at this point. Unless they're doing something unique, like they're making some sort of hardcore TBC. Yeah, it's still offline. It still hasn't released. It hasn't made an official release yet. They haven't got it up once yet. And there's people that took the entire day off today. Rip Bozo, depending on Blizzard to do the right thing. Yeah, people are just waiting for it to turn on. Yeah. I don't know how everyone's doing hardcore though, like if they're doing the ultra add-on and then just shutting off ultra, or if they're actually downloading like an actual hardcore add-on like the original one. I don't know what add-on they're using. Let me see if I can find out. Let me check CurseForge. Mocktail? Maybe that's the move. Holy shit, I have so many updates. TBC Hardcore. I don't see the one by Mocktail. What's it called?
I can't stay here any longer.
I don't see it. Is it on CurseForge, or do you have to get it somewhere else?
I'm right.
Why don't I see it? I probably have a filter on for game version. Let me see. Let's see. This one. Checking. It's because I'm on classic, I think. Let me do this. I think it's because I have a filter restriction. I'm checking now. Checking, it's checking, it's checking. It's almost done, I think. It's scanning my drive to find all my games.
You would be wise to surrender.
Project the roster. Project. Okay. Scan completed. Check. There we go. I think I might have found it. I found it. They messed up in CurseForge the name of the game though. And CurseForge is called BCC? Wouldn't that be TBC or is BCC like something else? Burning Crusade something anniversary, maybe? Burning Crusade Classic. That's what it is. BCC. Burning Crusade Classic. Alright, I'm installing the hardcore TBC. Are you going Horde or Ally, Delm? Horde. I might do Horde because, the Draenei are so ugly. But, I don't know. I don't know. Why won't you start? Oh, I see. Just go to a different starting realm. Or a different, just go to, like, I guess all the starting zones will be miserable, right? Because everybody's re-rolling, basically. Yeah, maybe. It's annoying that they've taken this long. I bet you they get, like, within 10 minutes of the servers getting ready to start, and they're like, 3 more hours and we'll be good. Just 3 more hours. Bunch of jerk faces. Yep, they're definitely all still offline. I think the starting areas might not be bad down the start though if it it's not like people go straight to TBC because it's not going to release yet, right? For like 3 weeks or something. So the Blood Elf area will probably be bananas. My guess is like everybody's rolling level 1 Blood Elves. And there'll be some people that want to try hardcore from the pre-patch. But I don't know if it'll be like, you know, fresh server classic hardcore official release, if that makes sense. It might be watered down. I'm thinking they're gonna delay again. I don't have faith. I have zero faith in Blizzard. Or I bet you it releases, too many people log in and it crashes. Yeah, DDoS 2 on top of all the people logging in all at the same time, like flooding it. I bet you it crashes. Give it a few days, yeah. The crazy part is it's a 20-plus-year-old game. Like all these problems have been solved in current cloud. Like you can get DDoS protection, you can do all these things, but Blizzard just gets freaking hammered, man. Blizzard has no idea. I know. It's really sad. Let me see if I can switch. Let's see. This, do this. First of all, that's way too loud. They just crank their master volume straight up to full. Okay, let's do window capture. Alright, let's see. Yeah. We're looking at a bunch of garbage, boys and girls. Reconnect. Okay. Oh, how many people are just spamming this? Welcome to the Is that how many delays they're up to? Is 6? No, dude, tell me that's not true. They're not. Oh my gosh, But the sad part is, I defaulted to believing you. Like, literally, the default behavior is just to go with that, because that's their most common sad state, man. Update that. It's not looking good. Last time it was right on like the main page, I think, that they messed up and their featured stuff is purchase this, buy this. Their feature releases, and we have an outage. We're on our 4th delay with TBC. Check out the updated status here. It's by midnight. Buy this, purchase this. is all about TBC releasing. They have information on that. They don't have any actual updated status. Bunch of jokers, man. What the forums say? Liz Tracker. First thing, gallop into a 6-month subscription. It's really sad. They closed the Burning Crusade being down forum. Let's see. Six days ago. No extension announcement yet.
Commander Rex, you're in violation of Order 60.
I'm still checking, man. It's not looking good though.
Treason against the Republic. You will be dealt with. Garrison bonus activate.
I don't see anything, man. I bet you it's gonna be delayed. That's if I was a gambling person, that's where my money would be. Oh, extended 10 p.m. Current maintenance has been extended until 10 p.m. We apologize for any disruption. That's the last delay that I am dealing with. I will wait. I really should be more or less surprised than I am. Alright, well that's it for me. I'm not waiting for another hour to wait, another hour to wait, another hour. I will be back tomorrow, and I will be streaming TBC at some capacity. I appreciate you all being here. Dallin, I hope to see you walking out there, man. I don't know if I'm gonna walk yet. If I do, it'll just be to 70. But I want to do dungeons. I want to play hardcore with dungeons, and I think I'll die if I walk in the dungeons. But I'm excited to see you running or walking away from a Fel Reaver. I'm looking forward to that, for real. You better get your walking boots on. It's an Ungaro Crater on steroids. It's gonna be really good to watch. Take care, buddy. I hope you have a good day. Hope it's productive. Hope it's all the things. I appreciate you all. You guys are all legends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate everything you guys do. Awesome people. You're amazing people, and you deserve to know that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you all. I'll catch you tomorrow.